Hi, today we will creating this beautiful car animation in which you can see that the road is going up and down and also the background, and you can see the tires are rotating as well as the car is moving as well. This will be created. Let's start with creating the index.html file and style.css file. Now for we will also need some JavaScript for it. So okay, let's start with the title and now create a link or style.css with the index.html. Okay. Now we also need to attach our script.js with the HTML file as well. Now both CSS and JavaScript are attached. Now let's create a class of container, and inside the class of container we will create a sky. You might have seen in the beginning that there is a sky background. There are trees as well. We will give the images of sky and trees using CSS, and also there is a track of the roads. Now there is a car basically, and a car has basically two wheels. So we will create a class of wheel and wheel one for one wheel, basically for one tire, and you give it an image of source car wheel left image. Okay, and we will give an alternative empty, and let's create the similar thing of class wheel of wheel two. We will give it an image of class wheel right png and give it alternative empty as well. Now let's code the JavaScript part because we will only give the background audio. So I'm just before styling it, I'm just giving it a background audio. We are creating an element of audio and giving it a attribute of source and sound dot basically sound dot mp3. You can see there is a sound dot mp3. Okay, and now we will create an audio dot loop so that and give it a true so that the volume should be continuously raising sound. Okay, now let's start to style or this thing, and we will give it a margin and padding of 0, a body of overflow of hidden, animation, and shake body. You might have been wondering why what is this will this is basically a we are creating this function so that we can move the car up and down. We will for the sky we will give it a height the sky of 100 vh, a width of 100%, and a background of image of URL background. You can basically see that I already have all these images on background.jpg, and we will give the background repeat of no repeat. I don't want it to be repeat, and give a position absolute. You can see that there is a beautiful sky behind it, my wheels. Now you can see that text is trees, so we will same thing we will do with the trees as well. Give it a height and give it a width as well, and give it a background image again. Background image of sky basically trees basically png. Now you can see we will also give it a background size of cover and a position of absolute top, because you can see the top should only have the sky. So you can see now there's sky, and below it there's these trees. Now next is the track for the road, basically the road, and we will give the road a height of 60 vh, width of 800 vw, and we will give the background image of URL. We now will give it the track png, track.png, and we will give it a background repeat of repeat x axis should be repeat, and give it a position of absolute, and give it a top of 70 vh, and an animation of, because road is moving as well, so we'll give it a car move linear 13 second and infinite in times basically. And now there is car. Let's start by making or showing our car. Car will have a height of 100 pixels. Car will have a width of 380 pixels, and car should be given the background image as well for the car image, which is car body.png. Now let's give it a background size of cover and a background repeat of no repeat. I don't want the car to repeat that image. Now let's give it a position of absolute, and left it should not be attaching with my border, so I will give it a left of 444 pixels and a bottom of 30 VH. So it should not be not only on the left but not only on the bottom as well. And we will give the shake of linear 0.3 seconds and infinite. You might be wondering why we have given the left and bottom as well. You can change the values and you will get what I have tried to do or trying to achieve here. Now there are two wheels. Over the wheel 1, I will give the wheel 1 of 77 pixels, give it a position of relative, top of -39 pixels, left of 235 pixels, animation of wheel rotate. We will basically create all these animations at the end and give it a 0.1 second, 1/6 second and infinite. Now you can see that okay, it's not matching, but I will match it. Let's start first, make our wheel 2 and give it a width of 77 pixels, give the position of relative, top of -39 pixels, left of 235 pixels, animation of wheel rotation, linear, 0.1 second and infinite. Okay, that wheel is matching but the upper wheel is not matching, so let's change these values to 42 pixels and also to 42 pixels. Now you can see that both of the wheels are perfectly matching. Okay, now let's give it a keyframe of wheel rotation, which I've already declared above, and give it a transform of rotate 360 degrees. I want the wheel rotation to be 360 degrees, so they are continuously rotating, you can see. Now let's copy that share and give it a keyframe of shake, and for 0% let's give it a transform of translate y to -5 pixels, -5 pixels up and down. For the 50% give it a transform of translate y 5 pixels, so it should move from 5 pixels to -5. And for the 100 pixel give it a transform of y of -5 again. So you can see that it is moving, how it is moving, -5 to 5 pixel up and down. Now let's copy the shake body which we declared, and let's give it a keyframe of shake body. And for the shake body, give it 0% transform translate y -50 pixels, and 50% translate again y 50 pixels. For this is basically for the whole screen. So we'll give it a transform or translate again -50 pixels. Now you can see that how the background is moving up and down. So this is basically what I was trying to achieve. If you like it, you can see that it is basically HTML, CSS, JavaScript pure course. So subscribe if you like. Thank you so much.